I'm going to share 7 most in-demand skills and high-paying skills in this video. It's 2024, and if you're confused about what skills you need to learn that'll help you get ahead in the job market and make you indispensable, then look no further because I'll talk about skills that you can learn today and that'll prepare you for the next 5 to 10 years and serve you surprisingly well in your career. And there's one skill in particular that is separating the top earners from the rest. Watch until the end to find out what is that skill at number 6. Alright, number 1, design. How predictable. I'm a professional designer. You wouldn't be listening to me and I wouldn't be professionally designing if it was not one of the highly in-demand skills. Imagine walking into a messy room with stuff everywhere. It's hard to find what you need. Now imagine that a room is a website or an app. Design is a magic that clears the clutter and make things easy to find. It's about creating a good experience, whether it is browsing a website or figuring out how to use a new gadget. Just remember, great design is equal to happy customers, and businesses love that. They need talented designers to craft experiences that keep people coming back for more. That's where you come in. But how do you become a designer? First of all, you need to decide what kind of designer you want to be. There are tons of design specializations, from graphic design to UX design to brand design. Graphic designers use visuals to communicate ideas. A UX designer focuses on the usability and look for digital products like apps and websites, stuff that I professionally do. And a brand designer creates the identity for brands, which includes logo and a lot of other branding collaterals, which is used by any company that is serious about their business. Once you select your niche, start paying attention to the design around you. How are websites organized? What makes a product packaging catch your eye? Check out design blogs and websites like Dribbble and Behance, and follow design accounts on social media. But you all know execution is everything. Even if you have all the design knowledge in the world and you aren't creating anything, you are still at square one. What I mean is that the more you design, the better you will become. Find small projects to work on, like designing a logo for a local business or creating a flyer for a local event. Additionally, with the rise in digital content creation, creator economy has endless opportunities for designers. High potential areas like thumbnail design and Instagram social media designs are attracting the new talent. But remember, design isn't just about artistic skills. It is about understanding what people think and using that knowledge to create things that will work well and look great. So if you're interested in being creative and solving problems, then design might just be the perfect path for you. Number 2, video editing. Video creation on the internet is on the rise like never before. Companies and creators are popping up on YouTube and other platforms every single day. They're finally realizing the best way to engage with people and customers is with the help of videos. That it's the most engaging way to talk to anyone or to communicate their ideas. That is why they are all coming to video platforms for which they will need someone who can tell a better story with the help of their video editing skills. So there's a very high demand for skilled video editors, and this demand is only going to grow more and more. Let's first talk about the different types of videos you can edit. There are so many different varieties of videos you could be editing. We have a YouTube horizontal video, and we also have a vertical reel format video. Going even deeper, there are different video formats like blogs, talking head, videos that require motion graphics, animations, etc. The editing style can be completely different depending on the video format. You will learn the value and the skill that is needed to capture the attention of the viewers in the first 3 seconds of the video. You will learn more and more about it during your editing journey. Number 3, copywriting. Imagine you are at a party trying to convince your friend why that new pizza place is amazing. You gotta paint a picture with words, right? That's kind of what copywriting is all about. But instead of pizza, it's going to be about products, services, or even ideas. Here's the thing, in today's world, everyone's bombarded with messages. So if you can write clear, catchy copy that cuts through the noise and grabs people's attention, you have got what companies out there are looking for. But why is copywriting so powerful? Look, a compelling copy can turn website visitors into paying customers and followers into loyal fans. It convinces people that what you're offering is exactly what they need. Think about all those tempting notifications you get from Zomato and Swiggy. They use specific words and images to trigger your craving. A Swiggy notification pops up showing a limited time offer on your favorite pizza place, and suddenly you're not just hungry, you're eager to order driven by the promise of a delicious meal and a great deal. That's the power of persuasive copy. It transforms passive readers into eager customers tapping their cravings and desires. But how can you learn the skill of effective writing? Well, first of all, you need to read like crazy. I mean, pay attention to ads, websites, and even chips packets. See how they use words to draw in. Write every single day. Even if it's just starting a blog or writing your journal before going to bed, just do it. Whenever you are writing a copy, remember this secret tip. People buy based on emotions. So you need to tap into their desires, fears, and dream with your writing. I hope you're getting what I'm talking about here. Number 4, social media management. It's about handling a company or individual's presence on social media platforms. Social media management involves a variety of tasks aimed at growing a following and interacting with an audience by using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. As a social media manager, you'll be setting goals, understanding your target audience, and choosing the most relevant social media platforms for your brand. Then comes the content creation process, which includes crafting engaging posts, images, and videos tailored for each platform and scheduling them to go out at optimal times. Community management is also a part of your job, where you'll be responding to comments and messages, and overall building relationship with your audience. Tracking how your social media efforts are performing and using that data to improve your strategy is also a crucial part of social media management. Social media management tools can help you with all this task by allowing you to schedule posts, track analytics, and manage multiple social media accounts from one single dashboard. Now, I'm a designer with a job and I also create content, and I do not have all the time to strategize, write, edit, schedule, and post. So I've hired a team of social media managers who do many of these things on my behalf. Overall, social media management is about using social media strategically to achieve specific goals. It's an ongoing process that requires creativity, planning, and a commitment to building relationship with your audience. Number 5, consulting. Consulting is a very interesting field where you can establish authority and gain consistent clients, earning money every month. The basic idea is to offer expertise in a specific area and provide guidance to clients. You start by mastering a skill or niche, going deep into it, gaining experience, and building a reputation. Remember that content creation plays a crucial role in making yourself discoverable to potential clients. Consistently creating valuable content helps showcase your expertise and attract clients. Plus, networking is also important. Attending industry events and conferences, or even joining online communities, allows you to meet people who might need your consulting services. You can also reach out to companies directly and see if they have any projects you could help with. Platforms like TopMate can be a great way to connect with potential clients and even offer you services directly. They have a network of mentors and consultants across various fields, so it's a great resource to explore. For inspiration, you can check out my TopMate profile and analyze how I categorize my consulting services there. In terms of pricing, it varies depending on the companies and deliverables, but can range from a few $100 to a few $1,000 per hour. You're free to choose your field, but always remember, mastery and experience are key in becoming successful in the field of consulting. Number 6, and my personal favorite, is personal branding. It's a skill that can get you unlimited opportunities. Imagine a career in which you wake up one morning and check your email to find different brands and folks reaching out to you, wanting to work with you. Now it's on you with whom you'd want to work with. Sounds too good to be true, but that's what happens once you build your personal brand. And before you ask, let me tell you, building a personal brand isn't about being an influencer or a content creator. Nope, it's just about being awesome at something and sharing it so people see you as the go-to expert in that domain. But how do you do it? It's simple. The first step is to figure out what you love and write it down. Basically, that's your content base. Dive into creating content around those topics. Then choose a platform amongst LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter and start sharing your knowledge. I love to talk about design in particular, and when you can find me posting reels, videos, and posts on my YouTube channel, Instagram page, and LinkedIn profile. Simply, it's about sharing what you know, learning out in the open, and showing the world you are an expert in that field. So that is what personal branding is all about. And finally, number 7, AI. I don't need to tell you how AI is rapidly transforming industries around the world. But it's also true that understanding AI capabilities can benefit you regardless of your career path. AI is great at automating tasks, analyzing data, and identifying patterns. By leveraging these skills, you can become more efficient, creative, and data-driven. Doesn't matter what field you are in. AI design tools can suggest layouts, generate colors, palettes, and create variations based on your preferences. Imagine a graphic designer using tools like Adobe Sensei to instantly create a mood board based on keywords. For video editors, AI can automate tedious tasks like scene detection, object recognition, animation, and even generate captions. Video editors can use tools like Runway ML to automate time-consuming cuts and focus on creative storytelling instead. Copywriters can use AI to analyze vast amounts of text data to suggest relevant keywords, writing styles, and even generate initial drafts. A copywriter leveraging tools like Jarvis can easily overcome writer's block and brainstorm content ideas. AI can also analyze your online presence and suggest ways to improve your personal brand. Imagine using a tool like Brand Watch to understand your audience's sentiments and tailor your online persona accordingly. AI can help consultants analyze their clients' data, identify trends, and predict future outcomes. This empowers them to provide highly targeted and data-driven recommendations for social media managers. AI can even schedule posts and analyze engagement metrics and even generate content based on your target audience. You can use tools like Hootsuite to free up your time for strategic planning and community engagement. These are just a few examples. As AI is continuing to evolve, the tools available will become even more sophisticated. So folks, that was the video. I hope you found it useful. Now if you're interested in my design journey, you can have a look at this video where I talked about how I got a high-paying UX design job. And if you're looking for a free resources to boost your design skills in 2024, don't forget to check out this one. Please like and share this video with your network and hit the subscribe button. It motivates me to create more content for you. Until next time, this is Sapta signing off.